Hello, today I am going to walk you through simple steps on how to fix a well-known Adobe error, which is overflow converting ratio denominators 17 to 18. You will see many videos regarding this fix on YouTube or many forums explaining how to fix. But, in almost all of them, either the footage timeline crops out or it just won't work. Watch this video till the end to know how to actually do it. I am asking you to trust me because I recently had similar problem converting my gaming screen recorded videos. So, this is my footage loaded in Adobe After Effects. It shows black screen and when I hit play, it pops up this error. The reason behind this error is the actual FPS count of original footage was not a whole number. One solution is to interpret this footage and fix the FPS into nearest whole number. Now, it's fixed. But that just decreases your timeline and skips out some footage at the end. To fix that, you will require a third-party software called Handbrake. Link to download this software is in description below. Download, install and open this software. Drag your original footage into it. Select Fast 1080p preset. Go to Video tab and select frame rate closest to your video FPS. Always select lesser value. For example, if your current FPS is 59.9, don't select 60. Instead, select 50. Now, click on constant frame rate. This is very important. When you are done, start encoding. Now if you import the exported video file of Handbrake into After Effects, it will not show this error. There is a rare chance you can suffer from a minor audio lag, but it can be fixed in After Effects. That's all for today. If you didn't understand any step, feel free to comment below. I'll reply and try to solve it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Press the bell icon to keep yourself updated. Also, check out my gaming videos too. Bye.